Hi there, Nick here, and just wanted to share some thoughts on how to. Well, I think the R programming language is a really good language for a database hackathon, and to show you an example of how to use R as an end-to-end solution in a database hackathon, and to actually even build like a data product or within R, like a web app, which would be fun. And yeah, I'll just take you through it. So. Yeah, heading over to London to Project Hack 3.0, and I'll be helping out there. And I just wanted to show you how I would go about doing it by doing my own little mini hackathon. So, what I did is I found a couple of different data sets. Um, this is one on. There's two. There's a couple of different types of licenses you can get in Australia, and this one, the AFS license, is all about if you are like selling financial products like insurance products and banking products, and the different advice you can give for selling other people's products. And there's also credit licenses, and this is a data set of credit licenses, which is all about the different licenses that you can have when you are in the business of lending, essentially. So, what has been happening in Australia recently is there's been a royal commission into banking, and the banks have been absolutely slammed. So, my hypothesis is that we're going to see some sort of a swap. I'm predicting a swap between credit licenses to more of like financial services advisory type licenses. So my idea is that people would be less inclined to be doing lending and more interested in just providing advice. And so that's actually the first step in a hackathon, is really just specifying the problem and limiting scope. So either what's going to happen is in the prompt that you get, you'll have the scope reduced for you, or when you are working with a team, time is of the essence. So you really need to reduce scope to refine your analysis to something that's not going to be so broad that you won't be able to achieve what you need in the time. So I hope that helps, and then I'll get on to the next one, which is investigating the data set using R.